What I am explaining that there is one philosophy in Kriya Yoga meditation which is very important. Karmadevadhikaraste mam pharesh kadachan. I want to practice Kriya Yoga, I want to become self-realized. This is called something, expectation. If I am having expectation, I will practice incorrectly. I cannot practice correctly. I want to practice Kriya Yoga to know God, to experience God. If already it is decided, it is already proved, Kriya Yoga practice is practicing presence of God. As you practice deeper and deeper, you will feel deeper and deeper presence of God. Moment you practice Kriya Yoga and become Kriya Yoga, then you will realize, I never exist, only God exists. This is already proved. Then repeatedly you have not to have this expectation, oh, I want to practice Kriya Yoga to know the God. Still, I am not sure. It is not confirmed for me that through the Kriya Yoga practice I am going to feel presence of God. If it is confirmed, then there is no question. There is no expectation, just keep on practicing it. When we say, I want to practice, I want to become self-realized, it is already decided. Kriya Yoga practice is experiencing self deeper and deeper. By repeated practice one day, when we realize the manifestation of visual self is nothing but Kriya Yoga consciousness, our head to toes is nothing but body of Kriya Yoga, knowledge of Kriya Yoga, technique of Kriya Yoga, all technology which is associated with the Kriya Yoga has become this head to toes. The moment we realize it, then I disappears, only Kriya Yoga exists. At the same time we will realize I disappears, only God exists. Already it has been proved it. Then no need of this expectation, I want to practice Kriya Yoga to know the God. I want to practice Kriya Yoga to know the truth. I want to practice Kriya Yoga to remove three-dimensional sufferings, physical, mental and spiritual. I want to practice it. Why you say this? If you are saying there is no fault, then keep on practicing again and again until you reach a stage where you have guarantee, where you have clear understanding that the Kriya Yoga is time-tested technique. When you are one with the Kriya Yoga, you will realize we are one with the God. We are one with the immortality. We are one with the power, knowledge and peace. We are one with the omnipresence consciousness. Therefore, this is very important. Just keep on practicing it. Have no expectation. Have only one expectation, how to practice deeper and deeper, more and more, again and again. Because of practicing Kriya Yoga with expectation, we are not able to understand scripture. When we read Bible, misinterpretation. When we read Ramcharitmanas, misinterpretation. When we read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, misinterpretation. When we read any poetry given by Kabir Das ji, misinterpretation. Because we are practicing Kriya Yoga with expectation. Therefore, we are not able to understand scripture clearly. Therefore, it is our aim to understand scripture clearly. Scriptures are misunderstood. Because of that, we have all problems. Then how to understand scripture clearly? Just Kriya Yoga meditation is divine instrument. It is divine gift. It is divine dictionary, active dictionary. As you practice more and more, true interpretation of scriptures appear within automatically.